Americans save big with these budget-friendly lifestyle hacks. Save money in the U.S. by shopping at thrift stores, using public libraries for entertainment, and meal planning to reduce food waste. Key hacks include buying in bulk, utilizing cashback apps, switching to LED bulbs, carpooling, and DIY cleaning products. These strategies help lower daily expenses on food, housing, and transportation. Smart shopping and home, thrift store treasures, buy clothes, kitchen items, and furniture secondhand to avoid high retail prices. Bulk and store brands, purchase staples like grains and nuts in bulk, and choose store brands for significant savings. Maintain and repair, use DIY methods for cleaning and repairs to extend the life of items. Energy savings, use a clothesline instead of a dryer, turn off lights, and adjust the thermostat to lower utility bills. Food and kitchen hacks, meal planning, plan meals around weekly sales, eat leftovers, and try plant-based meals to reduce grocery costs. Reduce waste, use freezer-safe containers for leftovers, and store fresh herbs in water to keep them fresh longer. Preserving, buy produce in bulk during season and learn to freeze, pickle, or make jam. Lifestyle and entertainment, library services, use the local library for free books, movies, and even to check out video games. Free entertainment, explore free days at national parks, museums, and enjoy outdoor activities like hiking or biking. Travel hacks, use credit card points for travel, try standby vacations, and travel during weekdays for lower rates. Financial and health habits, track expenses, use apps or spreadsheets to track all spending and identify areas to cut back. Automate savings, set up automatic transfers to a savings account to build an emergency fund. Preventive health, exercise regularly, cook at home, and get enough sleep to avoid high medical costs.